Control statements in Python are used to manage the flow of your program's execution. They allow you to make decisions, repeat actions, and execute different parts of the code based on specific conditions. Python provides several types of control statements. 1. Asterisk conditional statements, asterisk. Asterisk if statement. Asterisk asterisk, it is used to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. Python. If condition. Hash code to execute if the condition is true. Asterisk if else statement. Asterisk asterisk, it allows you to execute one block of code if a condition is true, and another block if the condition is false. Python. If condition. Hash code to execute if the condition is true. Else. Hash code to execute if the condition is false. Asterisk if else statement. Asterisk asterisk used when you have multiple conditions to check and execute different blocks of code accordingly. Python. If condition 1. Hash code to execute if condition 1 is true. Elif condition 2. Hash code to execute if condition 2 is true. Else. Hash code to execute if none of the conditions are true. 2. Asterisk looping statements, asterisk. Asterisk for loop. Asterisk asterisk used to iterate over a sequence, like a list, tuple, or string, and execute a block of code for each element. Python. For item in sequence. Hash code to execute for each item. Asterisk while loop. Asterisk asterisk executes a block of code as long as a given condition is true. Python. While condition. Hash code to execute as long as the condition is true. 3. Asterisk control flow keywords, asterisk. Asterisk break. Asterisk asterisk used to exit the current loop prematurely. Asterisk continue. Asterisk asterisk skips the rest of the current iteration and continues with the next iteration of the loop. Asterisk pass. Asterisk asterisk acts as a placeholder in code blocks where no action is required, preventing syntax errors. 4. Asterisk nested control statements, asterisk. You can nest control statements within each other to create complex control flows. Here's an example of a for loop that prints even numbers from 0 to 10. Python. For num in range 11. If num %2 equals 0. Print num. And an example of a while loop that calculates the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. Python. Total equals 0. Num equals 1. While num less than equals 10. Total plus equals num. Num plus equals 1. Print, sum, total. Remember to use proper indentation to define the scope of the code blocks within control statements.